Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Online. Today I'm going to be doing a quick flip through of Coloriage Wild 2. This book has been on my wish list for at least 2 years. I actually have all 4 of them on my wish list, but I was able to grab this one. They have not been available for the longest time in the United States, so I saw they were available and I went ahead and picked this one up. This is by Emmanuelle Colin. It is an absolutely beautiful book. Without further ado, let's get this thing started. A couple things I want to point out about the book is that you get 2 of every image. The paper in it is so thick. It is such a nice paper to color on. I don't know if you'll have to put cardstock behind it for alcohol markers, but it's definitely thick enough to maybe accept some watercolor. Again, this book is so cute and I can't wait to color in it. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.